Come again?
This way. You go this way.
Uh,
Go this way.
we can go this way, so we can see the. Oh, this way now. Yes, go there. You walk. Okay. Hello guys. Ayan oh. Gagala na naman kami ngayon ni paring say hi. Lalaki ng building guys so. Punta kami ngayon sa Marina. Ayan. Look at them. It's very nice. See? Zenton Way. Oh, there's a food, street food here. Yeah? See? Huh? Later we go there. Huh? We eat there. Come. Just go there straight. We follow the road there. Oh yeah. Still stop. Nice. Let's go. Still natin. Go. See guys, ang ganda ng building oh. Grabe. Ang tataas ng mga building nila rito. Ano kaya ang kwan yan? Puntahan nga namin yan mamaya. Rodney. Serious boy. Napaka-serious niya guys. Grabe, napaka-serious niya. Oh, see oh. Ang ganda. Ano kaya ito? Ah, shit. Ganda guys oh. Look them. Doon bumakain mga tourist. Ha? Alay lakad kami. Kasama ko. Alay lakad kayo papunta dun sa Marina. Pawis na. Just go.
We go up this way.
Huh?
Go up this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Can be. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. This way. Correct. Central Boulevard.
We go up this way. We go up the over and walk over.
Mga salamin lahat ng mga grabe. Oh. Drinks ko.